to welcome new members from many political parties here today. We will call them Thank you very much. Thank you very much, comrades. We are not done as yet. Please be seated, comrades. We are not done. We are going to announce a few changes in the leadership here in KZN, in KwaZulu-Natal. Today, we are very proud as the MK Party, a party which has always been characterized as umlilo wamaphepha since its inception. We have never experienced from a practical point of view that characterization. If anything, we've always been experiencing growth every day. While other parties are suffering, and while in other parties there's a moria of comrades who are leaving, in the MK Party, we're always welcoming new members every day. We're welcoming new members because this is the only alternative voice of the left. This is the only remaining voice of the voiceless here in South Africa. Today, we wish to say, comrades, and to announce to South Africans, to the people of KwaZulu-Natal, to the membership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, that we are officially announcing Umama Uzandile Gumede as the deputy convener of KZN. We welcome you, Ma. We are giving you a very warm reception because you have unquestionable credentials in the politics of KwaZulu-Natal and in the politics of South Africa. We know that you are coming with a very positive paradigm shift. You are coming with a very positive contribution in the MK Party. Let's join our hands together in building this strong ship of the left. We are also going to read out the names of other comrades who are joining us.